heartfelt namaste. Thank you, all of you, for watching the videos, for liking the videos, for writing in your comments and your suggestions. A lot of you have written many suggestions. Amongst them, one of them has been to astrologically define how to see government services in the charts. So, when we talk about government services, we need to check quite definite factors in the chart. To start with, to begin with the planets. Saturn is said to be the Karma Karaka. Saturn defines all the work that we do, and it is also the ruler of the 10th house of the natural zodiac, which is defining our karmas. So, position of Saturn in relation to the 10th house, its connectivity with the 10th house is a very important factor. Then we take on Sun. Sun governs over authority, power, and position. Not to forget that it also represents the kingdom, the king, and the government. So we need to check out the position of Sun with respect to the 10th house, 10th lord. In case of somebody opting for direct high level services, the position of Sun with respect to the 5th house also needs to be checked. Then, depending on the kind of work, because government services are huge, there are very many services, so the government departments are many in nature. What kind of government department is somebody wanting to move in? So if somebody wants to go in for teaching, then one needs to be very articulate, one needs to have the ability to explain things very properly and to have a very different and a very strong adapting abilities, very strong grasping power, and ability to understand what others are saying or what others also demand in their questions and queries. All these things can be seen from Mercury. Apart from Jupiter, which needs to be strong because you need to learn before you teach. So Jupiter needs to be in a good position, but Mercury also needs to be very articulate when you are in a teaching job. Now, when wants to work in a PSU, public sector unit, Jupiter holds the key to it. A connect between Jupiter and Saturn, aspect of Jupiter between Jupiter and Saturn, or aspect of Jupiter on the 10th house to define the work would be very essential there. When we need to see somebody working in hospitals, in the government sector, then Venus, which is the Karaka for Sanjeevani, and somebody working as a physician in hospital, again would need to have Jupiter, which represents the physician. So for different category of government jobs, we need to see the confluence of different planets in the chart, but Saturn and Sun are two planets that need to have the connect with the 10th house and the 5th house. Now, let us move to the armed forces. If somebody is working in the forces, one really needs to have a very strong Mars and the 3rd house of courage. And if Saturn aspects that Mars, and if there is a mutual aspect, then the person will have great abilities, great capabilities to take very strong decisions and execute them flawlessly. So they have the makings of a general. Then we move on to houses. The Lagna needs to be extremely strong. If a person has a good Lagna and the Lagnesh is well placed, the person gets the capability, the health, the physique, and the confidence to do anything that they would want to do. Second, we move on to the 5th house. We have shown the connection of 5th house, Sun and Saturn, because 5th house represents power, authority, and position. So 5th house would give person great power, position, and authority in a government organization. 6th house is the house of service. 6th house is also an Artha house. So it connects you with a service where you would be able to earn a living for yourself and your family members. And then we move on to the 10th house. The 10th house is the house of profession, business, job, everything, wherein it's also Artha house. So it also shows inflow of money through service, through business, and in general, it's a very important house because it shows your karma. So we need to understand and we need to work on these factors. let us go on to certain government jobs sectors. So we've said that Sun, Saturn are important, and we have also said that Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, why are they important? When we're talking about the sixth house, we need to see the position of Saturn and Mars also, and the fifth house, Jupiter and Sun. Let's take this first example chart, wherein this lady is working in a hospital, and she is a very dedicated nurse and has a lot of medals, accolades to her credit. Now, Saturn is the Lagna Lord, and it is posited exalted in the 10th house with the 10th Lord, both of them forming the Ruchika Yoga and the Malvya Yoga. She's very dedicated in her service, has studied a lot because of the 10th house combination that we see, and she is known to be one of the very good nurses in her profession. We also see that Sun is sitting in the sixth house of ninth house for her. In the sixth house is the natural zodiac with an exalted Mercury. So she has a very strong Mercury, and incidentally, she has also done courses in nursing and has reached a level where she, after some time, can move in and teach in the government hospitals all about being all about this chart. Again, we can see a lot of factors that would lead us to the government services. How can we see that? First and foremost, on the Lagna is Mars and Saturn. Mars is the lord of third house in exchange with the Lagna Lord. So the Lagna Lord moves into the third house and Mars is in the Lagna. And when we see Saturn, Saturn is the lord of the fifth house and the sixth house and aspects the 10th house. So Saturn has a connect with the fifth house and it also has a connect with the 10th house. Mars again is the we said is the ruler or is the lord of the third house and the eighth house. So this Mars gives him an ability to speak fearlessly, and Mercury in the third house gives him a very definite articulate speech, which made him a very well-known speaker and a trainer also in the government services. Now we come to Jupiter. Jupiter aspects the sixth house of services, is the lord of the seventh house of status and profession, and also aspects the 10th house of profession and also gives its own status. So this person is on a high paying, high ranking job in the government services and is likely to keep climbing higher and higher. Then we come again into another person's chart, again working for a PSU. In this chart, we see Jupiter is the lord of the second house, is placed in the second house with the sixth lord moon, aspecting the sixth house and the 10th house. The lord of the Lagna, which is Saturn, is sitting in the 10th house and aspects the fourth house and also is aspecting Mercury, which is the ninth lord of eighth lord and the fifth lord of higher services. Mars, which is the lord of the 10th house, is posited in the fifth house, giving a strong connect with the PSU. And as I had also stated that we need to see if Sun is connected in some manner. Yes, we see that Sun, which is the lord of the seventh house of Padaprapti status, is connected with Saturn with the seventh house. Now let us have a good look at the nakshatras involved and do they cement that kind of working. We see in the first chart of the lady here who was a nurse. In her chart, Saturn is in the nakshatra of Vishakha, and we see that Venus is in the nakshatra of Swati. Swati gives a person an ability to work real hard to attain an identity of one's own, and Saturn is in a high exaltation point where it gives a person again the ability to win at all costs and being in Vishakha Nakshatra, do good service such that one is praised, named, renowned as the best possible person in their field, and she is of that quality. When we take up this chart, the second chart of the person on a high ranking service, again we see that Mars, which is on the Lagna, is in the nakshatra of Uttarashada. Uttarashada nakshatra gives, Uttara Falguni. Uttara Falguni nakshatra gives a person high moral values. This person has a lot of high moral values while working in the job, and the ability to fight out any unseen events coming their way. And Saturn is in the nakshatra of Chitra, which gives the person a magnetic personality to develop a lot of good and enterprising situations for others to prosper from it. And there could be instances where he could be the ones making goals and setting things up. Now, when we see the position of Sun and Mercury, Mercury for the person is in his own nakshatra of is in Anuradha nakshatra, and Sun is in Jeshta. Anuradha nakshatra gives a person an ability to speak very carefully and very friendly, and to be known by one and all for their good speech. And Sun is in Jeshta nakshatra. The power is so intense that one has to win. There is no other way for that, and that is what the person wants to achieve and is likely to achieve. Finally, when we see the third example chart, we see that Mars for this person is in Ardra nakshatra, which is the Yatna Shakti. Anything that you want, you have to work hard and you would be able to achieve. And Saturn for the person is again in Jeshta nakshatra, which says the person will not stop at anything but the best. So this is how we are able to see that the nakshatras also give a very strong color to what you want to achieve in life. Finally, we come to the chart of Subhash Chandra Bose, or Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, known for his very charismatic presence and also known for being fearless. We see that the Lord of the Lagna, Mars, is in the second house. Ruler is also ruler of the 8th house, aspects Saturn, the ruler of the 10th house, in the 8th house, and this Saturn also as the ruler of the 10th house is also aspecting the 10th house, and Sun is Big Bali in the 10th house. So we see that his services, his armed forces that he had started for India, and we also know that he wanted to work for the Indian administrative services at that time. We can see how he has been a part of it and continued till his death. So we recap once more, and it's very important for us. The most essential parts to see for government services are positions of Saturn, Sun, 10th Lord, 10th house, and 5th house, 6th house. Saturn must connect with the 10th house for you to give you a government service. So do keep writing in your suggestions, and we'll keep making videos for you on those suggestions. Till then, like, subscribe, and comment on the videos. Till we meet you again.